Hey homegirls, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We are going to look at houses today. We also need to do some stuff around this house as well too. I need to touch up some paint in the mudroom because if you know, you know. I actually like tried to repaint the whole mudroom and yeah, it's some spots that just look kind of crazy, so we need to get that together today. Also have some fun house updates, so I'll show you when we get back, but we're gonna go look at some new construction houses. I like to do this like every now and again, just because I feel like looking at new construction homes, like the model homes, really kind of give you, some ideas of what you can do in your own home. It's crazy because I was actually talking to Dante last night about this, and like we were just having this whole conversation about homes, and we literally were sitting there talking about how our next house, even though we are in a new construction home, we definitely want it to be like an older home and we just like renovate it. So anyway, we're gonna do that today. Of course I can't go alone though. Like my mom, this is like our thing. This is the thing we bond on, looking at like model homes and things like that. So we're gonna go with my mom today, look at some model homes and just kind of see what the vibes are. There are a couple neighborhoods I've passed by in like the last couple weeks that I'm like, okay, the model home is up. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what y'all got going on. Hopefully it's not the farmhouse decor though, because sometimes these stagers, they don't be putting the effort that I really want them to put in these homes. But anyway, let's go ahead and go on a couple house tours to see what the vibe is. Let's go. Do y'all have a TV in your room? My mom was saying that technically you're not supposed to have a TV in your room. I have a TV in my room.
I would too, technically.
Okay, secondary bathroom, or a bedroom rather. I don't know how I feel about the closet with the window, because you're taking up wall space.
You are, but you know what? I like them. It's just something different about having that window in there.
Yeah.
Especially that window that opens, because you know how closed can get stuffy and stuff?
Yeah.
But
I don't know, I'm not a huge fan. I feel like it's kind of like a weird.
You're kind of tight.
Yeah. Where's the shower?
Yeah, where's the shower?
Is it behind this door? Oh,
The door locked.
this is too much.
The door's locked.
Wait a minute.
Wait just a minute. Go out. Go out this way.
Okay.
And see what's on the other side.
No, that's the first. It gotta be in there. Maybe they just locked it for whatever reason. They could be doing like some. But then why would you just washing your hands in there? I don't know if you guys can see this, but this decor is definitely a little bit more modern. Oh, mama, look at this. I love.
Yeah, I like this.
I love this on the wall though.
This is nice.
Whoever did the staging did a really good job.
Good job, yeah. The stage is so much different than the other.
Mm-hmm. Very like intentional staging.
See, this house is shaped like my house.
Yeah, yeah.
Just like my house.
How like it's like kind of like
Now,
living room,
and then the nook.
breakfast nook, and then kitchen. And even like the sizing of like the kitchen and stuff too.
That's what I'm saying. It's made exactly like my house.
I love this. You could do a sectional.
So yeah, I'm looking at how they did the sectional. I could do the sectional just like this. And like you said, 2 chairs over here.
Yeah, you could definitely do that. Only thing about your space is a bit more narrow. That's
Okay,
the only thing.
So maybe not 2 chairs.
You could do 1. But I love this. This is so cute. Feels very coastal in here. I love the vibes. Also, I love how they have these little pedestals. How cute. Oh wait, okay, so this is what, a guest room? Okay, I love this hack where you can hang curtains, because these are curtains. I don't even, and then you can do a liner. Yeah, I love that. And I like this above it. It's cute. I don't really like the walls. I feel like that'll get dirty really fast. Ooh. That's just so nice.
This is just like my setup.
Ooh. Oh, they did this. I love a good coastal design. Okay, like a little movie area. Okay, I heard my mom gasping over here. Oh my gosh. How cute is this?
Bubbles with glasses.
That is so cute. I love this popsicle. This is really creative and cute. I love this. They did this.
They did this, yeah. That's too cute right now.
Yes. Another little bathroom. I think it'd be nice, like little, like if you want to just do a movie night or something like that.
And the popcorn, they got the popcorn. The root beer up there.
The root beer. I feel like for like a movie room or space like this, I would want it to be like closed in though, so you could get like the entire like effect. How cozy with the, look at the window treatment. I know it's minor, but look at that.
Yeah.
Very nice touch. I'm not impressed with the, I mean, you could always customize this, but I'm like, I don't like the white on white. It's just very like blah. And the shower is not impressive either. Ooh, I love these accents. I mean, they're stagers, they got resources. Yeah, I think I want to do like something very different in my bedroom too. And this is like giving me some inspo as well too. My old room in my apartment was like a coastal design. It had like blue. I love a good like blue or coastal design. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. Oh wait, the laundry room. How cute is this? Look. They doing it with the artwork, okay? This is by far the best one. We only gonna look at 2 today, but I think this is definitely beating the other one. It is several weeks later since we went to go tour those new construction homes. I really love doing that because it just gives me a lot of inspo. But today we're actually fixing a project that we did a hot minute ago. A couple things that I did wrong with this. So originally I was just really supposed to be touching up the paint in the mud room because there were scuffs. It just needed a touch up. There are a lot of places in my home now with us being in this house at least almost like 3 years. I think we've been in this house almost 3 years now. It needs a little TLC. That's just the nature of having like a home over time. But I made a mistake and got the wrong finish of paint. So I got satin paint. Satin paint is not bad depending on what you're using it for. So this is actually a satin finish. And I was thinking, okay, maybe the wall like around it would be nice to have like a satin finish. But the finish just wasn't really, it was a little too glossy for me. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Also too, I did not edge like the sides really well as well too, so you can still see the old flat paint. It looks a mess. We are gonna have to go over it today with some eggshell paint that I got. It's not exactly the Agreeable Gray like shade that the builder had, so that's the only like bad thing about that. So I'll probably paint the entire area around here actually, and I'm hoping and praying that what I have is going to be enough to cover this entire area. I'll be edging this time too, just to give it a nice clean finish. It just looks a mess, and I'm tired of it looking like this. I've been putting this off for a very, very long time, and it's just time to get it together because it really does not look that great. So we're gonna paint that today, but before we paint that, I wanted to show you guys like a quick little home update. So I think in the last house to home vlog, you guys saw that we got a fence and we finally got it stained. It's been like a minute since we got it stained, but I haven't updated you guys here on the channel. So let me show you guys what the yard looks like with the stain fence. So this is the stain that we went with. It looks so good. I'm gonna leave all of like the details down below in the stain color, but I really love how this stain came out. Take it from me and just do things the right way the first time. I feel like I rushed this project a little bit the first time, and it showed. It definitely showed. Like, we went from looking like this to now this. The after looks so much better, and it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot crisp, and I ended up just painting the entire little cove, and it looks more cohesive because again, it was flat paint in here, so it wasn't really gonna match anyway. I used an eggshell finish in Agreeable Gray by Sherwin. So everything, as always, is going to be down below in the description box for you guys. But Do things the right way the first time. I do need to clean up some paint that I actually got on the mudroom walls. You know how wet paint look kind of crazy before it dries? Yeah, this gives me a little anxiety, ain't gonna lie, because it don't look like the exact color, but it is Iron Ore by Sherwin. I guess we'll know like in an hour or so, but I'm gonna end this video right here because I am tired, y'all. I love you, homegirls, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.